Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel, guys. So, at syempre ngayon ay nakakuha tayo ng at nakabili ako ng I got Hot Wheels High Roller 2. This is from Hot Wheels Let's Race from Netflix. Ayan, tinan mo guys, nakakuha tayo guys. It's a HW Rolling Metal. Ayan, it says High Roller 2. Napaka-quality niya guys. Napakaganda guys, grabe. Binili ko to sa guys toy new guys, ang liit lang niya, pero it's only 130 pesos guys. Nung binili ko siya, ayan, ang ganda niya guys. So sa likod, ayan lang yung makikita nyo, wala namang pinagkaiba. Ayan. So yan guys, nabili kong Hot Wheels. So napakaganda niya talaga guys, grabe. Okay guys, so yung gulong napaka gold ng kanyang gulong guys. Ganda. Alright guys, so ito yung bubong niya guys, napaka silver. Tsaka yung yan guys, yung bubong ng car, tas yung screen, yung glass niya guys, light blue. Yan. So yan guys, ito lang nakuha natin. So leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget the notification. So bye guys.